Here's the second video of 9-5 factoring trinomials by type x squared plus bx plus c. And so we're going to do it. It's going to be a little different than last time. Instead of adding the factors, we are going to now subtract the factors. So let's try it out. Notice this time where this negative number is. This is now, this section right here where I circled is now a minus sign, not a positive sign. So we are going to...
You just have to with the music.
Alright, so we're going to break it up. You're going to have your two sets of parentheses. And this time with your two sets of parentheses, you're going to put opposites. You're going to have a plus and a minus sign. And you always break up again the A. We're only staying with the m squared. And right now we're staying with the easy stuff. So we're going to break up m squared still. So it's m and m. And then we have to break up 27, but this time we're subtracting them. Well, I gave you some. I had said 27 minus 1, and that's 26. That won't get me my middle. 9 minus 3, that equals 6. So that would be my middle. But now we have to figure out where the 9 and the 3 go. Well, since this is a plus sign, that first sign is a plus sign, you're going to put the bigger number with the sign that is in the first one. So 9 will go with the positive and 3 will go with the negative. Let's try that again because it's sometimes difficult. We break up the p's. So we have p and p. I need to break up 18. Well, I know 1 and 18, if I subtract it, that's not going to get me 3. But if I do 6 times 3, and I subtract them, that will get me 3. And again, you guys, you could do it much quicker if you don't do every factor of the number. So I just did the factors. I knew immediately, so that would be 6 and 3. And again, I need a plus and a minus sign, because I have a negative right there. And this time on my first sign, I have a negative, so the bigger number needs to go with the minus sign. So 6 will go here, and 3 will go with the positive. We'll try it one more time, and then I'm going to ask you to put it on pause and try D through I on your own. So we have Y and Y, and a plus and a minus. Again, I don't mind if you put the minus first and the plus second. I don't care. It does not matter. It just depends on where the number is going to be located. So 56, we're going to break up 56. 7 times 8. So it's subtracted. Well, we'll put the 8 first and then the 7. So you can, 8 minus 7 is 1. And there's that hidden 1 on the Y. So then, again, there's a negative is our first sign. So we're going to put the 8 with the minus sign and the 7 with the positive. Now put me on pause and I'll come back to you after you've done them all and you can check them out and see if you did them correctly. Here are the answers for the others, D through I. Check it out and see if you are not understanding how to get it. Check it out and see what you did wrong on the factors.
For 2 lessons a day?
Just for this one. Alright, so example 4. This time it's a little different. You have a variable on the first part and the third part. That's okay. All we're going to do first of all is we're going to break up the variables. So notice on A we have a minus sign in the back, so you're going to have a plus and a minus. A plus and a minus. And then I'm going to break up the H's and I'm going to break up the K's. But then I also have to break up 77. I'm guessing it's going to be 7 and 11. You have 7 and 11. And 11 is the bigger number, so that's going to go to the negative. I need to move this minus sign over. So I'm going to put the 11 there and the 7 there. And that's how you would do this part. Let's try it again. you have your x and x and your y and y. This time you have a plus and a plus, so I'm going to put positive, positive. And then I have to break up 24. Well, we have 8 and 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 and 3, I like that one. You add them together this time. Remember, this was 7 and 11 you subtracted. This time you add them because you have a plus on the second sign. And so it doesn't matter which one you put first, 8 or 3. Let's try that again with C. You have your M and M and your N and N. This time you have a minus sign as your second symbol, so you're going to have a plus and a minus, and we have to break up 60. So you have 20 and 3, and again you have to subtract because of the minus sign in the back, so I'm subtracting them, so that will be 17. That works perfectly. So I need the negative on the front is telling me I need to put the bigger number with the minus sign, so that would be 20, and 3 will go with a positive. Now try that with D through I, and I will give you the answers. Put it on pause. Alright, here are the last bit of the answers. I factored them all out. See where the negatives and positives are. Just check it out. We'll discuss it tomorrow in class. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.